I look at what stocks lawmakers are buying every single day. And if I catch a lawmaker buying a stock at the same time executives at the same company are also buying shares, it catches my curiosity. But if I catch lawmakers and executives buying shares in the same company, and that company is down almost 80% over the last year,
now you have my attention.
So this morning, when I noticed that U.S. Representative Lisa McClain opened a position in FMC last month, while 5 different executives have been loading up on thousands of shares, I knew I had to start digging. If you don't know, FMC is a chemical manufacturer based out of Philadelphia. Its core business is manufacturing crop protection products like insecticides and herbicides for farmers. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Remember, the stock is down almost 80% over the last year. A big reason it's been hit so hard recently is ongoing trade disputes and tariffs. FMC gets almost 70% of its revenue from international markets. Think countries like India, China, and Brazil, all of which have maintained or increased tariffs this year on U.S. agricultural products as the trade war negotiations continue. In India alone, FMC made close to $1 billion a year in revenue a few years ago. Fast forward to last quarter, FMC announced that they were shutting down their India business in its entirety after 39% tariffs were put on foreign agricultural products, making it nearly impossible for FMC to compete with domestic companies. But here's the catch. As bad as this all sounds, things could change soon and quick. We already know that trade negotiations are in the works with India, Brazil, and China, and a number of other countries that are key to FMC's business. If and when these trade deals start to get finalized, FMC could see a significant increase in business from these markets, which have been absolutely hammered recently. And the fact that we're seeing insiders as well as politicians loading up on shares only reinforces that theory. When you combine all of this with the fact that FMC has almost doubled its lobbying spending in the last couple of years, with practically all of it going towards agricultural trade issues, on top of the Trump administration considering a multi-billion-dollar farmer bailout to help ease the pain of the trade war, it begs the question, does it make sense to follow lawmakers and insiders here and snap up shares of FMC as they hit their lowest level in over a decade? I'll leave that up to you. To track Congress trades, insider trades, lobbying, and everything else in this video, check out Quiver Quant.